Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Dr. Anupam Vyas from Bundelkhand University, Department of Electronics, and in today's lecture we are going to understand the things about number system. So at the end of this lecture, it's not going to be a long lecture, but after the end of this lecture, you people will be able to understand what is number system, why there are multiple type of number systems, how we are understanding the number system, what is the base of number system, and why and how we are converting one number from one number system into the another number system, which is also called as base conversion. So these things we are going to understand today. Okay, so hope you will enjoy this lecture. This is number system. So what do we understand by the term number system? Whenever we want to count anything, we need a number system. Means when there are things which are more than one or even sometimes one also, and we want to count it, we need a number system. From the very basic childhood we are understanding things. एक बॉल है, दो बॉल है, तीन बॉल हैं, हमारी दो आँखें हैं, हमारे पास 10 उंगलियां हैं. So to represent the counting we need a number system. It is not necessary that to count anything or to count everything in every type of system we are following the same number system. The number system can vary, but at least we need a system to count the things, whatever it is. So this is how we need a number system. Like in ancient time, when we don't have a number system, how we represent the things, like Nasika. If we are saying Nasika, it means the quantity is 1. We are saying Netram, the quantity is 2. If you want to say it is undefined, then we can say Kesh. So this is how we are representing things, by using some universal things, the number of things which are common universally. Okay, so now moving ahead, we have 4 main type of number systems in your syllabus. The first is decimal number system, second is binary number system, third is octal number system, and fourth is hexadecimal number system. We have these 4 number systems majorly. Although it may be possible that in different countries they are following different number systems, because in previous era the development of technology, the development of systems is happening parallelly, and there was no source to integrate that knowledge. So parallel development was happening. They are using their systems domestically, and when they come on a common platform which is at worldwide, then they come on some common standards and try to follow the same standards globally. So this is issue. Like I want to give you one example. You might have listened these 3 systems: FPS, foot pound systems, seconds, then CGS, centimeter, gram, seconds, and then finally the world agree on MKS, meter, kilogram, seconds. So these are the systems developed, accepted, discarded, and finally we came to one conclusion. So these are the number systems. Now what is the number systems? So first is decimal number system. Decimal number systems means a number system in which we are representing the counting from 0 to 9. We have the variety of elements in this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total we have 10 elements to represent any number. Now it is limitless. Now you cannot add any number from your side, any symbol or mark from your side to increase or decrease. So this is the entire. That is why this is called base 10, a bracket, and we are writing 10 here. So we can say this is a decimal number system which is represented by 10 elements, 10 variety of numbers. Second is binary numbers. Binary numbers are represented with the help of 0 and 1. Only two choices you have. You have to use only zeros or ones to represent any number, whether it's a small number, big number, very big number, whatever you want to represent. You have only flexibility to use zeros and ones. If you want to represent a long number, you have to use a long chain of zeros and ones, and then you can represent it. So it's a binary number system. So now the elements are 2. So we say this is a base 2 number, 2. If any number is written there and outside the braces it is suffixed by 2, so you can say it is a binary number system. Octal number system. Octal means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Base 8. The variety is 8. 8 means the maximum number which is going in the system is 7. So if you are adding two numbers and the summation is going over to 7, it will produce a carry. In this number, if you are adding two numbers, it is going beyond 1, it will produce a carry. This decimal number system we are following from our childhood, and we know that whenever the summation is going over the 9 means the available maximum number, so it is producing a carry. So this is octal number system, and this is hexadecimal number system. This is also called as alphanumeric number system because this is the only number system in which we are representing the numbers or the quantity with the help of numbers as well as alphabets. So in this we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then A, B, C, D, E, F. A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, F is 15. So if we will count from 0 to 15, we have 16 numbers here. So this is called base 16 number system. Base 16s. 0 to 9, 10, then A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 alphabets. So 10 numbers, 6 alphabets, 16 base. So this is the the introduction of number systems, that why the base is called 10 to 8 or 16. So one thing you can see here, that the smallest number system in which we have the minimum number of elements to create some pattern is binary, and the maximum is hexadecimal. Base 16 is the biggest and base 2 is the smallest. Here I want to tell you one thing, that if we want to represent one number in a small number system, the length of the number is more. And if we are representing the same number in a number system whose base value is more, that number is compressed and it is having less length or lesser length in comparison to the smaller number system, right? So I hope you understand these 4 number systems. Like in our daily routine life, we are following decimal number systems. In the computer world, that मैं बचपन से सुनता आया था, कंप्यूटर 0 1s के अलावा कुछ नहीं जानता है. So in that we are using binary number systems. Octal number systems are used for some assembly language programming. Similarly, hexadecimal number system is used in microprocessors, microcontrollers, so that we can burn the ICs and can have our work done. So now very quickly we will understand how to change the basis of number, how the question will come in the exam. Although we should not study in that way, that we should understand how the question will come, so that I prepare in that only. But base conversion is the heading. I am very thankful to this tile of size 2 by 2, by which help I am able to make these video lectures and try to communicate with my students. So next is base conversion. One number is written in one base and somebody is saying convert into base 10. Some number is written base 10, somebody is saying convert into base 8, or somebody can say convert to base 16, or the same number should be converted into base 2. So many questions can be created. We should understand how to convert, right? So we will start from one number system which is very familiar to us, and it is decimal. And we are taking one common number so that we can create all the other bases for the same number. For example, let's take 56. 56. Now, one thing I want to tell you, 56, you cannot understand this term specifically when you are studying number systems until there is no braces and no bases there. For example, 56 can be there in decimal number system, and 56 can be there in octal number system, and 56 can be there in hexadecimal number system also. I agree it is not possible in binary because binary is only in zeros and ones, but 5 and 6, these two numbers are of such kind which are available in decimal also, hexadecimal also, octal also. So how you will understand in which number system it is written? So specifically, if it is written, then we can say this 56 belongs to decimal number system, because 56 can belong to octal and 56 can belong to hexadecimal number system also, right? Now 56, we want to convert this to binary. So this is decimal to binary.